Good morning, classes. I am making this video to talk to all my classes today. You have a sub today. So, classes, I am going to have you work on a project. For government kids, that means you've got a reprieve for one more day to finish your bills. For sociology students, that means you also have a day for making videos. But we do need you to start working on these two assignments that I'm putting here. We would have done these things anyway, but we'll just get a jump on them now. What I found is I've made this video twice already, and it did not show in our teams, in our class notebook, the things I wanted to show. So all of you, both sociology and government kids, you have a class notebook, and I just got it fixed, so we're going to start using it a little bit more, but I want to make sure I go through the parts of how to get there so that you can see your stuff and what I'm expecting you to do today. So the class notebook is here under General Posts. Click on this button, we scroll down. I'm going to use Adonis. He's right here up front and center in my second period class. And he's going to go to class notes right about here. And the activity you've got is right here called Class Culture Research Project. And I listed this both in the announcements on the main page, by the way. So the project is below. All right, so here is your activity. And it's a link going to Culture Encyclopedia, doing a little research on culture. That's what sociology is going to be doing. Now, if I go up here and I go to government, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to class notebook. Adriana, you're first on my list, so I'm going to go to you. Class notes. Who reps you is the activity that you all are going to do. You might have two in there, just like sociology did, but there's a who reps you, and all of you are going to research who your representatives are from every level of government, and there's a ton to do here. So on each of these pages, I can't get it to be, oh, there we go, so we can collapse. So when we get down here, and we're scrolling through here, you'll notice you're starting off in government class, you're starting with the city government information. If you don't live in the city of Phoenix, I have put down here on the other side. Oh, I did put a little surprise in that for you. Thank goodness. I thought I didn't. I have a little surprise video in all of my classes. It's called the Invisible Rope Holiday Video. I thought that was pretty cute. Something fun. Anyway, right here, if you live in a city other than Phoenix, I've included a bunch of links. I went through and I grabbed all these. It's kind of messy. You already have Phoenix up at the top. But if you live in Mesa or Chandler or Scottsdale or Glendale or Gilbert or Tempe, and it just scrolls on down. Okay? I didn't go and grab the other link, but if you live in any of these cities, I just grabbed the ones that are pretty close. Likely. I have lots of kids from these places. Alright, so that's it on the government assignment. Sociology assignment. You're doing the culture. And I think you also got a fun little activity as well. I just want to point it out, make sure. This real quick. Class notes. Culture Research Project. Yes, so you guys got the fun video too here. The invisible rope is over here on you. But you guys are doing your culture research. This is an actual link right here, ladies and gentlemen. And when you click on this, you can choose any culture you'd like to look at and do the research. Okay, find 5 specific cultural traits, etc., etc. Here's the similarities, here's the differences. Cite your sources. That's pretty much it. So you're going to go take a look. Oh, slowly down here. If you notice, it's taken a little bit to load on my screen. But the PowerPoint, our culture notes, PowerPoint is here. It's just taking forever to load. Just because I'm making a video, it doesn't work very fast. All right, guys. Work hard today. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow.